If you would have your own AI twin avatar, what 3 traits you would want it to have? It can be anything and everything.
First and foremost, I'll give him a job. Alice, I will do the film. You do your promotion. First season देखा ना आपने?
Yes.
तो हिम्मत सिंह इस सीजन में उस चेयर से उठ चुके हैं.
This season was meant to have a lot of action.
I think the big change in season 2 is in Red over here. Like I am the new entrant.
Hey guys, I'm Manjari Mukherjee and you are watching me on Pop Diaries channel. From the world of crime, terror, cyber war, thrill, a whirlwind of thrill and drama, high octane action and emotion. That's the most important thing that I feel is really well done. Well, अब तक तो पता चल ही गया होगा आपका और हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट. This world is magnificent in its own vibe. Okay, it has its own vibe and we have been waiting. तो hashtag date का wait अभी ख़त्म हुआ है because now we are finally having the second season of Special Ops and I am sitting with the cast. So before we decode a lot, I have to tell you that I have done something special for the cast over here. Okay, yes, yeah. So I have gone out. I am a very big fan of Special Ops.
Nice.
I could make out from the introduction. That was a good introduction actually.
I am actually a very big fan of the whole series.
इनको extra time दिया जाए.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. But seriously, I have to say sequels can be very tricky. But Special Ops में मैंने एक चीज़ देखा है कि no matter what it is, it's a spin-off or it's a sequel or whatever, it's always high octane. Everything is like very measured. I don't know how is that possible. Like sequels can be tricky. Legacy है that you have to maintain of the first season, but then there is also supposed to be creativity that you need to take care of. How do you balance it out? Like according to you guys, all in all, ऐसा क्या है वो चीज़ जो you guys have really concern, मतलब you have maintained कि हाँ ये कुछ नया भी हो, but we are also not failing to give something back to the audience. What would that be? We'll go with KK sir.
Very simple answer, Neeraj Pandey.
That I also
Because
agree.
that,
Yes,
yeah,
absolutely.
it's entirely his doing,
Yeah.
to be very frank. We all come here, take the credit and all that stuff, but he is the one who actually writes it first and foremost so well, implements the whole thing so well, beyond our imagination, because
That's
yesterday,
very
last
true.
time when we saw the trailer, I didn't visualize this when I was reading it.
Yeah.
So he and Shivam together, they kind of have a ballet, and they do come out with something which is magnificent. I really can't imagine that this would be the end product. And trust me, I'm pretty visually intelligent, but you know, he just goes beyond. So the short answer is Neeraj Pandey.
Definitely, I agree. I do agree. I've always been in awe of the way how he's put out films. He's put out his own direction, his own thought process, and the visual, the effect that has on it, on us, by storytelling ho, kuch bhi ho. I just love it. I love it. So
Because
yeah.
seldom are people, I mean, for example, I've been in this industry for long. Seldom do I just agree on the first sentence of a person, of a director, because like if I were to ask Neeraj, Neeraj, ye theek rahega? Huh? And he'll go. So I know that I'm in safe hands, you know. So
Yeah.
those kind of things help a lot because he has proven it again and again. At least when you see Special Ops 1 and 1.5 and now
Yes.
2, he's just proven it that he knows exactly what he's doing.
Very true. Very true. Anything else that you guys want to add?
I think
Correct.
that's the only thing. I mean, Neeraj sir, creatively we don't handle anything. It's only like a director's ship, and he's the one who's steering the ship to whichever direction he knows that it's supposed to head. And as characters also, we don't even know that what my character is unless come on the set, you're told that this is what you're doing, and that's the most intelligent thing that you can do on a Neeraj Pandey set. Is come prepared with the lines and just hand yourself over to Neeraj Pandey, and he'll tell you exactly what to do because you off the paper you don't understand the script. वो इतनी complicated होती है कि मतलब there's so many things happen, you get lost in between. मतलब
Yeah.
I am okay. So first of all, nobody gets a script. I don't know. I mean, sir gets a script, but Baki we have to go and read, or we get our lines of the character, and to just read it, we have to go to this, matlab, to the office and read it. And then you get so lost in between the world that you forget that you're Agent Avinash. और अब मतलब मैं सारों की पढ़ रहा हूँ कि मतलब कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है, मतलब I forget कि मैं अविनाश हूँ, you know, his lines, I was so fascinated with, you know, his character. I'm reading what a beautiful character, and you know, Karan lines, and you know, like KK sir lines, like क्या line लिखी हुई है. And there was like something which I really enjoy and I devour as an actor, because the writing, obviously, and I have to mention Deepak Ingrani also, who's a writer. They both have a very good companionship, and they do a fantastic job at writing. And I write also, so I know that how difficult it is to, you know, put out the material. So yeah, hats off to both of them.
Absolutely.
I feel like for me specifically, Farooq Ali and Special Ops I owe it a lot to the character and the property, given my career in general.
Of course.
I'm in absolute love with this show. And I feel as actors, to keep the legacy alive, you can just be very prepped to support the director's vision as much as you can. So I feel like everybody does that silently in their own ways. You know, because I knew that Neeraj sir for season 2 specifically was thinking a lot of action. So without really having anything in terms of a sequence or a script, the little bit that you can do to know that, you know, आपसे director जितना expect करेंगे, you know, you've got to be prepared for it.
Yeah.
You know, you do basic things like, you know, you just keep your body agile. I know it sounds very superficial, so to say, because, you know, you're like, you know, acting, but I feel like it's, you know, that's the genre that we are dealing with. This season was meant to have a lot of action. So just, you know, getting ready with hand-to-hand combat, preparing sequences on your own, you know, so that you can, you know, aid the vision if you're, of course, allowed to, or just be prepared for the day of the job, because you owe it to the property, you owe it to the audience, you owe it to like people like you. So you just try to put your best foot forward, and I feel like as far as the legacy is concerned, it has so much to do with the makers themselves, right?
Absolutely.
They put in so much passion and love into the writing, and very rightfully said by KK sir, ke when you're reading the script, there is no way that I imagined that this is what the set is going to be like. But just the fact that, you know, when I reached Budapest, that's one of the locations that we shot in, having an 8-seater chopper that you're shooting with as the first day of your job, and you're jumping in and out of it, doing action sequences from some of the biggest, most glorified locations in the world. ये आप पेपर पे आप लिख सकते हो, पर आप उसको एनविजन नहीं कर सकते. तो जब आप जाते हो, आप देखते हो यार यू नो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वो आपको एक अलग सा एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दे देता है कि नहीं यार ये हमारे डायरेक्टर ने, हमारे राइटर ने बहुत बड़ा सोचा है और ये हम आ भी गए हैं. तो अब एज एन एक्टर आप सिर्फ यही कर सकते हो कि मैं अपना जितना हो सके अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग से इसको अपना बेस्ट दे दूँ कि किसी तरीके से यू आर एडिंग द विजन ऑफ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग.
Very true. I think I agree to that point. And such beautiful locations.
Oh,
Even
really?
That's a
season
USP of
1
the show.
also, I had such beautiful locations we saw, and the landscapes, the frames, just really good.
No, but KK sir enjoyed the locations the most.
Yeah.
KK sir's
He saw it on AI.
No. I will also, मैं खत लिखूंगी.
Sir,
नीरज
आपने
sir
सर जब
कि
ट्रेलर देखा था,
third season में करना होगा.
सबसे पहले ईर्ष्या हुई.
सर 1.5 में आप घूमे थे मगर, हाँ? आप 1.5 में घूमे थे.
भड़ास निकाल ली.
हाँ, निकाले थे आप, तो आपका ठीक है.
बट इसकी वजह से बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग जोक है. मैं एक बार नीरज सर, जैसे आई वाज टेलिंग यू लिटिल बिफोर वी स्टार्टेड रोलिंग, कि मैंने यू नो एट द टाइम जब सीजन 2 आई वाज लाइक सर इस बार ना यू हैव टू राइट मी अ सीन विद केके सर, बिकॉज मेरे को पहले सीजन में मौका नहीं मिला था. मैं सर को भी बोल रहा था कि मुझे मौका नहीं मिलता इनके साथ काम करने, जबकि हमारा एक ऑन स्क्रीन रिश्ता बड़ा
It's
बड़ा अच्छा है.
very sweet, and I don't know, it's like in a way it's like a father son. So I like it a lot.
मैं इसको गुरु शिष्य देखता हूँ, because I don't think KK sir is that much older than I am. He's one of the buddies like that. तो मेरे को सर ने पता क्या कहा? He's like, तो बेसिकली तू बोलना चाहता है कि तुझे इंडिया में एक सेट के अंदर शूट करना है. मैं कहा नहीं सर चलेगा, आप अगले सीजन में लग जाना, कोई बात नहीं.
But मैं खत लिखूंगी नीरज सर को कि एक तो
एक बनता
होना
है.
चाहिए,
सर,
बनता है,
नहीं
एक
बनता.
बनता
Throughout
है
I've
with the
been-
team.
I've been just been phoning.
सर ये आप अगर कहेंगे ना तो फिर भी एक पॉसिबिलिटी है. मैं कहूँगा तो हो सकता है
नहीं वो
मेरी बचकान हरकत समझ के
वहाँ
ना
हिलेंगे
करें.
नहीं, वो कहानी हमके लिए.
इब्राहिम जस्ट सेड दैट यू नो हम लोग को तभी स्क्रिप्ट मिलता है. तो अभी मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन ये होने वाला था कि 2 truths and 1 lie या फिर कुछ भी ऐसा कोई spoiler that you can drop about Special Ops 2.0 in the Special Ops way, you know, like spy coded में एकदम, अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ तो, before we go on to the fun part.
I think
ऐसा कुछ है?
I'll stay away from it. So I think KK sir will
Why?
take a call
Do you
on
give
that.
out a lot of spoilers?
Oh, yeah, I mean, you never know, and you can go south a lot.
Tahir, did you?
I am new to this season. I have
That's
just
why,
joined,
I
so
mean, you
let-
have the
let's
most
see, yeah.
interesting character. This
That is
time
like,
you're looking
on
out for
what
it.
line are we treading?
On what line are we treading exactly?
Give me
So
truth, roots, and one line.
I can aid it.
Yeah.
Tahir and I share quite a romantic relationship on screen.
yeah,
That's
Okay.
that's.
Physically romantic.
I think
Physically
I'll,
romantic.
I'll use that for all three.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And you? Anything that you want to say, Tahir?
no, I think the big change in season 2 is in red over here. Like I am the new entrant.
That's very true.
Spoiler: if I say anything about the part, it'll give you more than the trailer. But I am very excited because first of all, to be joining a series where the hype is so much. People keep asking me, is it nervous that there are going to be expectations? I always rather be part of a project where there are expectations because that in itself is very humbling. I rather come on board where everyone is so pumped up, where the audience is expecting it to come. And just like people have been asking about the date and for spoilers, it's always energizing as an actor to be a part of something where yaar log intezar kar rahe hain. So that's special.
It's a challenge.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have something
KK sir से
cool.
पूछा कि RAW से अगर ये कुछ बताना चाहेंगे हमें.
कुछ नहीं, फर्स्ट सीजन देखे हो ना आपने?
Yes.
तो हिम्मत सिंह इस सीजन में उस चेयर से उठ चुके हैं.
क्या बात है?
Very spy coded. Wow. Loved it. Okay. AI या ना AI. ठीक है. So this is the concept. The concept is basically that if you had AI as your aid,
Okay.
aid, ठीक है, how would you use in these following situations?
As characters or as real people?
Real people.
Achha.
This is real people.
You should
right?
start with KK sir first then.
Absolutely, I will be.
The most avid user of everything technology.
Yeah, I want to know the answer actually.
I have the perfect one for you. We were just talking about it. Okay, so if you would have your own AI twin avatar,
ट्विन.
yes, your avatar, what 3 traits you would want it to have? It can be anything and everything. What 3 traits?
3 traits.
Yes.
First and foremost, I'll give him a job. That is, I will do the film.
Okay.
You do the promotion.
Wow.
Okay, so then and I'll give him a little bit of extra dose of wit as well.
Okay.
Okay, so more of wit
Yes.
and charming personality.
Sir,
in
you
terms
are
of,
excelling in it, please.
No, not from me. I'm giving him extra
Okay,
dose.
okay,
It's not me.
extra
हाँ.
dose.
AI है ना, इस्तेमाल करो
हाँ,
ना.
हाँ, absolutely, yeah.
फायदा उठाने के लिए ना वो.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
तो वो है. बस और no tiring. You should not get tired. So
That's
these 3
true,
things I'll
yes.
give him,
Yeah.
which I don't have myself.
So basically sir आप अपनी खुद की बात कर रहे हो.
नहीं.
क्या आप AI हो आप असली हो इस time पे?
So ये 3 चीजें दे दूंगा जो मेरे पास नहीं है. अब बोलूँगा जाओ सारे प्रमोशंस करके आओ.
Wow, nice. बस मेरे लिए खास आप ही आ जाना, please. Okay, to Karan.
जी.
If you had to create a hypothetical special ops team right now,
Okay.
which Bollywood characters will you pick? Only 3 characters.
Which Bollywood character would I pick to make a team for myself?
Yeah, like a special ops team. You would, hypothetical.
Hypothetically, I feel if I had a head of my team, even hypothetically, I would want Himmat Singh and KK sir to do it. I think nobody does it with so much panache and earnesty like Himmat Singh's character,
Yeah.
and of course the way sir imagines it. If I wanted a team, damn,
3 characters other than of 2 characters.
only Bollywood?
Yeah, only Bollywood.
I can't pick Tom Cruise to come and do all my stunts. Because that would make a life a little easy and a little less bruised.
Okay,
That would be fun. If he
है.
could like jump around and get hurt and do all the tumbles, it would be amazing.
Okay,
So I don't mind if Tom could, kind of be one of the agents.
Okay.
And
the last
who
one?
else? I think Mr. John Abraham would be the
Ooh,
real muscle.
nice.
Because from all the work that he does and of course the way that he is, I think he can beat up 100 people in one punch. So to have him forefronting, the periphery would be awesome. To just be behind his shadows to go and fight.
with these three people, you're
काम
very
खत्म हो गया,
safeguarded.
yeah.
वही काम ही खत्म हो गया.
Technically, I'm just going to like दूर से मैं गन से ही मार रहा हूँ.
Okay, over to Ibrahim.
I love
Would
to call
you?
him Ibrahim like that, yeah.
Yeah, that's sweet, no?
I don't know if I should mention this. I mean, I've watched Dhoka.
That's
And,
sweet.
and
That's
Royare is one of my favorite songs.
So sweet. Thank you
So
so much.
I really love that film a lot.
Thank you
so
so
yeah.
much.
Yeah. Okay. Would you use it to solve problems in your relationships and friendship?
AI.
Huh?
I think that'll complicate it so much, right?
Why? I think it's a good idea. Like,
So
see.
how do you use it
I
in a
mean, I'll
relationship?
give you an example.
Yeah.
Date पे हो, late हो रहा है, तो उसको भेज दो.
मैं कभी लेट होता ही नहीं हूँ.
अरे भैया
मतलब डेट पे तो जाने के लिए आदमी एक्साइटेड होगा ना, AI को भी भेजेगा.
Not
नहीं,
necessarily.
नहीं,
अच्छा
नहीं,
ठीक है,
नहीं,
तो anniversary में
मतलब
भूल
मेरी
गए,
शादी
but
नहीं
that
हुई,
person will always remember your you know the dates and everything. कि आज
मतलब
first
अब-
anniversary, second anniversary and all, flowers and all भेज देंगे.
हाँ, मतलब आप ही आंसर कर दीजिए. I think you answered it better for me. I think you did my job, so I think वही होगा. अब, इसको आप कैसे मतलब बोल सकते हो? I think you answered it for me. I
Okay,
think.
चलो ठीक
अरे
है.
यार
We'll go with
रिलेशनशिप
that.
वगैरह में तो भेजोगे तो
क्या मतलब romance किससे करोगे? AI से करवाओगे मतलब?
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स थिंग ना.
Yeah, like
तो अगर
AI.
उसमें ग्लिच आ गया तो उस वक्त
सर ग्लिच में सच्चाई बोलती तो
हाँ वो एक ग्लिच में बहुत सारी चीजें हो जाती हैं फिर रिश्ता खत्म हो जाएगा.
Sir,
बाय
AI
चांस
बंद करवा
अगर
देंगे.
AI ने एक्चुअली सब सच्चाई बोल दी कि हाउ यू आर फीलिंग अबाउट अ सर्टेन सिचुएशन, यू आर रूइंड.
फिर तो लग गए Ibrahim के. Okay, the last one. What was the most weirdest thing being that you have chat GPT'd in your life?
What is the weirdest thing?
Yeah, that you've chat GPT'd.
Wow.
You searched on ChatGPT basically. Weirdest thing.
Search पे
मैं
पड़
अभी
गए.
तक इस्तेमाल नहीं किया हुआ यार उसको.
रियली?
Sir.
It's not weird, but what I love about ChatGPT is that the image feature is that you can do anything. Like give me an image of a chai wala making chai on Mars, or
Yes.
like show me like aliens in a school in Bihar.
Yeah.
It's so the fact that you can come up with these bizarre concepts that otherwise would take you so long to try and create it
Yeah.
are some of the weirdest things.
So basically, bringing all our imagination, the wildest imaginations come true.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
I do like that also.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, I love ChatGPT. It's too much fun.
Yeah, बहुत ज़्यादा. So, but I don't use a lot also. मेरा काम है कि मैं खुद से सब कुछ करूँ.
नहीं मैं
वही मेरा
मेरे
सवाल
घर के मैंने कार्पेट्स उससे सिलेक्ट किए थे मुझे.
हाँ, yeah.
Wow.
कि
Did
click a photo of
ChatGPT
your
help you
room.
with the questions for today, or these are your own?
No, no, no.
questions?
Are you
Now
ChatGPT?
No.
No, you're real. Okay, fine.
Now it's time for me to go.
Yeah.
This is
Okay.
AI.
Thank you,
सर ये
sir.
वैसा नहीं है सर. ये वैसा नहीं है जैसे आप सोच रहे हैं. आपको you have to use it to know. सर इतना नहीं है.
It's a glitch.
ऐसा नहीं है.
It's making it behave like this.
Thank you so much for being so warm and for being so open. Thank you so much for Special Ops.
It's
love-
coming on 11th of July.
Absolutely.
On Jio Hotstar.
Yes. And you guys have to stream it. I तो मतलब मैं जिस दिन होगा रिलीज उसी दिन चालू हो जाऊंगी, ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं वेट नहीं कर सकती. मैंने बहुत वेट किया है, अभी फाइनली आ गया है तो मैं बहुत खुश
Thank
हूँ.
you
So
so
thank you so much. And well, we'll be looking forward to The Collector.
The collector.
Yes. But thank you so much, and KK sir, I love you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
This was me, Manjari Mukherjee, only on Pop Diaries channel. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell icon. Don't forget to comment and let me know what you love about Special Ops and the cast. Bye.